Okay, so take a look at this. I think this is funny. So I'm playing Dark Souls 2, and these tiny little birds in here are like, give us silky, give us smooth, and I drop them a stone. Yeah. See this?
Yes, you! Give us Saki!
And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna give them a little stone. I wonder what I'm gonna get. Yeah. How the fudge? How was this ginormous demon hammer? How the hell was this ginormous demon hammer in this tiny little nest? This makes no freaking sense.